Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. What you got planned for this one?
Well, my dad showed me a design he really wanted.
Ooh.
So it's gonna be like, basically it's supposed to come out looking like an American flag.
I see. Let's see what you got.
This table is so awkwardly shaped, it makes it a little bit hard.
I'm guessing there's going to be some pleats in there, obviously. Like with your fold type deal. How do you get the stars?
You just do a scrunch on the top.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
But that's still really cool.
Is one he saw on YouTube.
He saw it on YouTube,
He
so
did.
that's cool.
Papa Brian said, I want that. I said, okay, Daddy, I got you.
He's always watching the YouTubes. I see him in the comment section from time to time.
Does he really comment?
He does. You'll see him in there.
I love my dad.
Especially on, like, he watches all the ones that are, like, not tie-dye related. He's on every one. He's into the mechanical stuff.
I love you, Dad. Okay, so I told him, here's how I think we should do this. I don't know if this is gonna turn out right, but we're gonna try.
We're gonna see what we get, yeah. Ain't that American?
Ain't that America? Maybe I should have did double thing.
You know the name of that song is?
What?
Little Pink Houses.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Fabulous.
I know, right? Well, it's John Cougar Mellencamp, right?
Oh.
Isn't that who that is? I'm pretty sure. I can't remember, but it's definitely the name of the song is Little Pink Houses. And that I can assure you of. Might have been the name of the album too, I'm not sure about that part, but definitely the name of the song. Band it up to the dyeing rack.
Yep.
Let's go.
I'm hoping this turns out right.
Hopefully so.
If it doesn't, I'm sorry, Dad. Ooh.
Prep the area. Look at that.
Well, I hope this turns out right.
I hope so too. So what we got up first?
This is Fire Red.
Fire Red. I've always wanted to see one with Fire Red and some Bluebird on it, so this is going to be a ooh. Fire Red. Get that thing get shaking. Shake it like a Polaroid picture.
I know what to do.
Okay.
You didn't get it, did you?
Well, I did.
What's cooler than being cool?
Ice cold.
Might not.
All right. So we got Fire Red. Up next, we got Bluebird. We love the Bluebird. Look at that. How patriotic.
It even looks like a little flag all folded up.
It really does.
How cute. We love that.
Now, do we do both or we just do one?
Sides?
Yeah.
We're gonna shoot for both.
Old Babes is here. Then line it up with your previous reds.
Okay, here we go.
Big stuff. I think it's got superqueer or sodium alginate in it. Well, I think, well, obviously sodium alginate, but I can't remember. There's something else in there. He's a special Glenn. That sodium alginate's just so chunky. Oh, on this one we have Bluebird and Fire Red to make a beautiful red, white, and blue tie-dye tee. Extra couple splashes of Bluebird there. Ready for the rack?
Yep, I'm gonna just carry him
Alright,
since he's not really tripping.
to the drying rack.
Let's go.
Middle shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.